Well, as we start to see changes in immigration policies under the new Biden administration, some U.S. citizens working on getting spouses American citizenship are still in limbo, more now due to the COVID-19 pandemic. KTSM 9 News reporter Tatiana Favela is live near the U.S.-Mexico border with more.
The consular process for American citizenship usually takes some time now due to COVID. There's been multiple cases that have been stacking up, leading to longer wait times for immigrants looking for permanent residency here in the U.S.
I have not heard a word from the consulate, nor has my wife. To communicate with the consulate is extremely difficult, if in fact impossible.
Jose Villarreal is enduring the waiting game, working on getting his Mexican national wife, Cecilia, who is currently in Ciudad Juarez, permanent residency in the U.S. under the conditional Resident 1 visa.
I applied 2 years ago. Now it's in the consulate phase, and we haven't heard a word, and, you know, it's been a lengthy period of time.
Texas licensed immigration attorney Norma Isla says typically U.S. citizens petitioning for their immigrant relative, spouse, or child takes 9 months to a year. However, that was before the pandemic hit.
During COVID, it got really complicated because the consular offices abroad, as some people may have heard or may not have heard, shut down, since March of last year.
Isla says consulate offices only open for emergency services in December, by appointment only and with visa approval. According to the U.S. Consulate General in Ciudad Juarez, the consulate Villarreal is waiting to hear back from, services will resume in March, but will continue affecting wait times.
So it's a year worth of appointments that are going to have to be fit in. So the wait time right now for what used to be 9 months to a year, double that, okay, for U.S. for relatives of U.S. citizens and for relatives for the spouse and minor children of legal residents.
Villarreal says all he and his wife can do is wait, adding the emotional toll has been tough, especially while other immigration policies begin shifting under the new administration.
Worse yet is the consideration of certain undocumented groups being allowed to remain in the United States illegally and pushed ahead of lawful applicants.
And the U.S. Consulate General in Ciudad Juarez says that starting next month, it will be taking some non-emergency cases if local public health conditions permit. Live near the U.S.-Mexico border, Tatiana Favela, KTSM 9 News.